Alright, so I'm gonna try and do a quick unboxing, try to edit as less as I can. That way I can just, move on from this video and show you guys some other content. But I just wanted to unbox this real quick because it just arrived today, and it's the questions, the Iverson questions. These are called a street Sleigh. They're the black and red version, or red and black, black and red, whatever. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick view, a quick peek or whatever. Not even gonna do it on feet, just quick unboxing. So let's get to it. Let's see. This side. Already done took long, but it's hard left. So alright, there we go. So what I wanted to add is that I've never bought a pair of questions. I kind of have. I bought a used pair of the Respect My Shine, but I didn't really like them, so I got rid of them right away. But this is like the first official brand new pair that I've bought. So matter of fact, let me show you guys the box right quick. So there we go. That's the size. That's the SKU number, whatever, the color number, model number, whatever, all that stuff. But let's get to the good stuff. So here we go. So this is something that I didn't know they would come with until not long ago. I seen these pictures with this green lace that I still don't like. I don't think it's cool, and that's coming off. But anyway, let's check these out. So these are it, brand new. This is my first pair of Reebok questions that I bought brand new. Like I said, the other ones I bought weren't brand new, but bottom looked the same as any other ones. And they got the patent leather type of deal all around. There go the tongue. And these laces here, yeah, it is a full lace. See, it is a full lace, but yeah, like I said, that's coming off. There go the inside. You probably can't see it because I ain't got much light. Like I said, I'm trying to do this video as short as I can, just showing them to you guys. Let's pull the other one out. Alright, so it's individually wrapped. And here we go. Here go the other one. I think without that green lace, these are pretty good. These are pretty nice. Like I said, without that green lace. They got leather all around, patent leather. Stitch number 3. All this is like, let me see that I picked that up. That's like stitch. All that is stitching. The white, the black, it's all stitching. Just like this question logo right here, that's stitching as well. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys already know these shoes by heart. So many that come every year, so many different colors. Here go the other stitching. One thing about these is that I don't see the Reebok that usually are printed on the lace holes or lace loops, whatever. They usually say Reebok right here. These don't have that. But yeah, I think they're pretty live. Again, no on feet, but just wanted to show you guys. And for those who want to see the tag, I always show you guys stuff like that, like the tag or whatever. What about this one? You guys want to see this one? There you go. I'll see you guys on the next one.